Motshegetsi Motsi Mabuse is a South African dancer who has appeared on Let's Dance, the German version of Strictly Come Dancing. She originally appeared as a professional dancer but later became a judge on the show. On 22 July 2019, it was announced that Mabuse would replace Darcey Bussell as a judge on the 17th series of Strictly Come Dancing. Mabuse was born in Mankwin 1981 in what was then the nominal Republic of Botswana. Her birthplace became part of South Africa, and her family moved to Pretoria when she was 5. Whilst in Pretoria, her sister Odie Mabuse was born, and they both took an interest in dancing. Mabuse was expected to become a lawyer and joined a family law firm, but she became intrigued by dancing whilst studying at the University of Pretoria. Her education moved to dancing, and in 1998 she was the runner-up in the national championships. The following year she found her dance and romantic partner, Timo Kulchak, at the British Open Championships in Blackpool. They married in 2003 and they competed in international dance competitions from their home in Germany. In 2013 she won the German Latin dance contest with the Ukrainian dancer Evgenij Voznyuk. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.